Hi everybody, Cynthia here with Swansoapandsuch, and today we're going to be making a soap about weather. I have my folder here, as you can see, and this is for the YouTube Soapers Community Collaboration, and this collaboration is focusing on weather. So I have all my oils ready, and I am going to be using a bunch of colors. I am going to be using an embed I made, which is in here, for the sun. That's my challenge piece. I've not done embeds before like this, so we'll take care of that. We have a bunch of colors. We're going to do an in the pot swirl. And our fragrance today is Bora Bora from Rustic Escentuals, which is a delightful blend. It's named after an island in the Pacific called Bora Bora in the territory of French Polynesia. It's the most beautiful island on the planet. That's why we're going to use yellow around our sun and some bright orange and some delightful pink and a brilliant red, I hope, and a nice purple and a sky blue. Yes, a sky blue. So anyway, back to the fragrance. It has a blend of sweet pineapple, acai berry, mango zest, tart passion fruit, yuzu zest, green apple, orchid leaves, and musky nuances. So I think that's a perfect soap for Bora Bora and a sunny day. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a sunny day soap or a tropical sunny day, since we have all these delicious fruit fragrances. On my oils here, I have olive oil, coconut oil, palm oil, which is responsibly harvested. I get from Essential Depot. I have shea butter and castor oil also in my mix. So I'm going to get my lye mixture, which is all cooled off, ready to go. We're soaking at room temperature. Let's see, what is my temperature of my lye? Is at 75, and my oils are at, you can't see it, actually says 86. So we'll pour this in right on my spatula there. We don't want any bubbles or splashing. With the lye, we want it all to go in there. Okay, we'll put my lid back on this. Put it aside. We'll do a little mixing, and then we'll stick blend this and separate it off. I just want to bring this to an emulsion because we're going to be doing lots of mixing. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put our fragrance right into this. I have kaolin clay in with my fragrance. So I want to scrape off the top of this lid into this jar. We want all of this lovely fragrance to go in. It smells very fruity, delightful, my favorite word. I love it when I make soap. I make such fun things that are good for your skin and are just such great fun. Let's see. There we go. You can see that better. Let me put my container back together. Put it over there. Wipe up a little bit of mess. We'll do a little stirring again. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so we're going to just stick blend this just a tad. Make sure everything's mixed in here. Okay. And that's emulsified. So we're good to go. Stick blender. There, we're going to need that again. I'm going to start off with my yellow and put a good amount in here. And my blue is going to be in my big pot. So we want just a little bit in each of these. I'm not sure how much. We'll see how much we have. I'll just split off a little bit. Okay. And orange. It's pretty bright. It's a nice blue. I think I like that. I'll put these all aside for now. Hold on to that blue. Clean up my mess. So, first thing I want to do is put this one aside. I'll put the blue in it in a minute. I want to bring my mold over here, and my embed here, which is my sun, which is going to go right into my mold here. I haven't made these before. At first I lined this with freezer paper, and I had a terrible time getting it out, even in freezing it. But when I just poured the melt and pour soap in here and put it in the freezer after it solidified, it slid right out, no problem. So I'm very happy. So let's wipe out something in here. It's not supposed to be in there. Okay, we're good. Now we want my stick blender in this yellow, and we are going to thicken up a little bit with this fragrance, so we have to keep moving here. Don't need to stick blend much. I do want this pretty thick. Okay, we're going to say that's good enough. Scrape this off. Scrape out the middle. That's a yellow on there. Okay, put that in there. Now we want to put this on the bottom, and we want to cover our sun with it. So let's see. Some drips here I'll pick up. So let's see, you can see this good. Okay. So I'm going to pour some down in the bottom like so. Okay. And I'm going to stick this. I know it's a different yellow, but that's alright. Probably down the middle. Then I'm going to just pour this on top. Scrape it out my container. And we want to make sure that gets good coverage all the way down into all the cracks. Okay, good. Making a drippy mess. Okay. Go. Mess here. Sure made a big mess. We basically want to cover our sun, make sure the soap just heaps up on the top here in the middle. We want it pretty much all in the middle. Move that embed over a little. Get it in the middle. There we go. Okay, that looks pretty good. Scrape our sides. Scrape. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to put, this is starting to solidify a little bit, so, which is fine. We want to make sure we get most of this blue out of here. Into here. You see, not really, move that over. Okay, let's just stir this blue in. I want it very light, so I didn't put very much in there. So, hopefully this will be enough. It's kind of morphing into a green. I'm sure it'll turn back into a blue. So, press that blue in there. So, maybe we'll have a green sky instead of a blue one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give these a little stir, mix all mine. This is orange, and I'm going to just pour these in here, and we'll see what we come up with in the pot swirl. These are going to get pretty thick, so we won't have any blending of our colors, which will be nice. Okay. And again, we're getting a little thick, but that's what we wanted. And it smells like fruit, fruit, fruit. Oops, good thing I have my gloves on here. Okay, this looks pretty good. We'll pop that in. It's interesting to see how this comes out. I haven't had that blue turn that green before, so that should be fun so far. Okay, good. Got that. Now, as you can see, we've got this red, and you can see it's set up pretty good. But we'll just mix that up. Get that delightful red to mix. Okay, we'll plop that in. Again, we're going to give this a stir so these will get mixed in, and we'll see what we come out with when we are done with this swirl. And we cut it tomorrow. As I said, it smells amazing. And then just for fun, I got this purple. Like you see, it's set up pretty good. We'll mix this in. Great. And put that in there. And we have a nice, beautiful color for our swirl. Beautiful. Okay. And clean up my nuts here a little bit. Take off my gloves a little bit. Soap. Okay, so here we are. We have all these beautiful colors. We're just going to give it a little bit of a swirl a couple of times, and then we're going to pour it in. So this yellow should be pretty well set up. So we should be able to just pour this over the top. And get some pretty colors going in there. That's what we wanted. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Pretty pretty. Let's see if I can, here we go. Situate it, you can see better. So I'm going to scrape a little on the sides here. Get it all down into the middle. So I can pour out. Sorry about the back. Just want to get this all in my mold. These bars are going to be a little bit bigger than my regular bars because I did not discount the embed. So, it smells very fruity. just hope that green comes back to a nice blue. That would be delightful. I'm sure it will. I'll have to bang this down. But first we want to get it all in there. We didn't save any for on the top, so we'll just do some glitter on the top. Okay, let me bang this down. Okay, here we go. And I have my chopstick. I'm going to scrape the edges just a little bit. I'm going to wipe off my spatula here. Yes. Clean off my mold here a little bit. Okay. We'll do a little swirl here just to mix this up, and then we'll get some nice glitter on the top. That looks good. Scrape our sides again. Alright, that should do it. And my glitter. Glitter out. I want a silver glitter. Do this nice micro glitter, which is very light. It's going everywhere, but it's so pretty. It just makes everything so you can't see it unless it refracts the light. So it's quite delightful. Let's bring it up for you to see. And this is going to be my sunny day soap. As you can see, hopefully that green will go back to a nice blue. So we'll see you tomorrow with the cut. Hi everybody, we're back for the cut of this tropical sunshine soap. And it's still very soft. I did not use any salt or sodium lactate on this. So we'll cut this small piece for sample. Let's see what we got. Alright. I'll find our orange and sunshine in here. There we go. It was a little short. There it is, our little sun. And our sunset sky. I think that's beautiful. Looks like the sun's going down. It looks like sunset. Okay, let's cut this next one. Very nice. I like it. Very nice. That bright orange. Yeah, I think we got a nice sunset going for our sunny day. Very nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Y'all. I think it came out beautiful. I did have a lot of air pockets on the sides and the top. It's just a swirl. It came out beautiful. It smells like fruit. My goodness, it sure does. It's just delightful. Okay, the end of our tropical day. Our nice sun embed. Very nice. And most of all, good for your skin and fun to wash with a soap that looks and smells so delightful. It came out great. I'm very happy that we have a nice end of day, tropical sunny day soap. I'll cut some samples here. And yeah. Okay, guys. Tropical sunny day. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye. Give me a thumbs up, guys. We appreciate it. I know I'm backwards. Thumbs up. See you next time.